we're going to take to the floor a bill that calls for the total repeal of Obamacare so that we can start over and we can tell the American people we're on your side.
Oh, yeah, they're on your side. They're going to start over. Republicans always say we're on your side when it comes to health care reform, right? Where is their plan? But they're not offering any solutions whatsoever. Now, the Supreme Court is expected to rule on the constitutionality of the president's health care law any day now. Now, look, no matter what happens, it is a real opportunity for Democrats to take control of the issue and work towards improving this nation's health care system. That's how I see it. And so does Howard Dean. As the Washington Examiner reports, former Governor Howard Dean of Vermont told a group of progressive activists that there are many parts of the law that should remain intact because they are worth preserving. But, quote, I don't give a damn about the individual mandate. I think it was a foolish thing to do anyway, but then I hope it does get thrown out. Now, folks, this is all about messaging. This is a great opportunity for the Democrats. Americans know our health care system needs fixing. What we got is okay. It's a start. If the Supreme Court strikes down the Affordable Care Act, 77% of Americans want President Obama and Congress to go right back at it and try again and come up with new legislation. Only 19% of the American people in this country think that the health care system is fine and just leave it the way it is. Congressman Keith Ellison of Minnesota says the Supreme Court ruling will give Democrats the chance to push the single-payer system, something liberals wanted from the start. He says, I wholeheartedly think that if this individual mandate gets thrown out, it is an opportunity for us to organize right away. Amen to that. I mean, folks, this is a great opportunity for liberals to look at this as a positive if the Supreme Court strikes this down, because then we can go right to what the majority of the American people want, and that is single payer. Don't give up, liberals. Single payer is what we want and what this country wants. Tonight in our survey, I asked you, following the contempt charges against Eric Holder, what do you think Republicans are more interested in? 7% of you say the truth, 93% of you say hurting the president. Coming up, the Senate is expected to pass this mammoth trillion-dollar farm bill that unfairly targets low-income Americans. Vermont Senator Bernie Sanders will weigh in next. Stay with us.